Hey folks, cheers from my run, taking a quick break in the German woods. Once when I was on a business trip to Vegas, in the good old days, I was going for a run there to see the Las Vegas sign, taking a picture there. After the run, my Nike app informed me and applauded me for the run and recommended me to visit a store quite next to my hotel. It was actually only a 3-minute walk, and they invited me to see the latest running stuff there. I went over and went away with a box of a few new stuff. So that is the Nike way to create experience. In that case, it was store experience, connecting my running behavior, my location information, my preferences of my products. They connected all that things together, invited me to the store, and generated revenue with giving really relevant, context-sensitive offerings to me and my activities. So what are you doing in these days when the store experience is no longer available? The new world, digital world, the product page becomes the experience moment. Even there you have to connect the products, the customers, the location information, and make that relevant. So data becomes really the center of it.